Hi everyone, it's Vincent back with another origami video, and today we're making another animal origami. I don't know, I just really like animals, that's why I picked this origami. So today we'll be making the simple elephant. It looks so cute, but I mean I have to try and draw the eyes properly for once, I think, to get it looking that cute. But anyway, so as usual, taking a square piece of origami paper, we're first going to make the helmet base, and to do that we fold this origami paper diagonally in half, and then we're going to take these two corners and fold it to the top or the bottom, just depending which way you have your model folded. Ugh. Cool. So yeah, this is the helmet base, and then the next thing we're gonna want to do is fold these flaps out kind of slightly diagonally, so it's a bit of a kind of guesswork here, but from this corner following through, so if this is like halfway, we just want it kind of diagonally just above that. Like about this much, I think, actually a bit further up, so there's like a small triangle gap there, and then press down like so, and we're going to want to repeat that on the other side, get it evenly as possible by mirroring this corner here. So then, yep, we folded that, and then next thing we want to do is take this flap and fold it up to the point at the top. Yep, so like this, and then next thing we're going to want to do is fold either of these two sides into the center here, and to do that, oh yeah, we also want to sink these down, so actually do that first, that makes more sense. You just want to do a valley fold into itself. Oops, that might have been a bit too much. And then repeat that on the other side. Yeah, try to get it as even as possible. Yep. And then, like I said, we're going to fold to the center. So actually, I'm first going to do kind of fold in half and do a small crease, just so I get an idea of where to fold. And yep, next thing we want to do is fold it up and in half, so kind of probably following this, it's the easiest since there's another edge to go by. Just gonna fold it in half like so. Oops. So kind of like this, and then this should be kind of pointed down. On the other side, fold this so it's here in the center, and then the top of the line. You're going to want to do is fold these flaps back out. Like so, and then what you're going to do is bring this down. So this is kind of the more difficult part. But yeah, what you want to do is kind of fold it diagonally down, like so, following my hand gesture, kind of like that. Yep, like this, and you're just gonna wanna like fold these parts in to try and form the ear of the elephant. So yeah, as usual, just a lot of fiddling about with the model to try and get it as perfect. And whilst you do that, you wanna fold this whole flap down. Yep, like so, just fold it down, and as you can tell, this is going to be the front of your elephant, so you might want to play with it about so the ears are kind of bigger. Yeah, I'll probably do more fiddling at the end like usual, but let's go on to the next part, which is you're just going to do valley and mountain folds up and down to form the trunk of the model. So you're gonna fold up, down, then up again, and then down again. Like so, and then you're just gonna drag it out, and that is more or less your elephant. Yeah, I want to try and make the ears bigger, and I think I'm gonna fold them back slightly further. So just fiddling around with the shape to try and get it looking like that image a bit more. And then like usual, the next thing you can do is draw a face on it. Yeah, that is pretty much it, I think. That looks pretty much like the image for once, which I'm really proud of actually. So yeah, that was actually quite fun making, I think, because the cute little 3D like popping out ears are so cute. It's adorable. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video, like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content, and subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.